So last year I had the wonderful opportunity of attending the IFES Master Class in Germany. And oh wow, what an incredible experience I had. It was full of knowledge, it was engaging, it was interactive, it was so much fun. I learned so much from all of the speakers, and I'm just so grateful because you could see that each and every one of them put so much effort in delivering very good content and knowledge. Actually, you know what, there isn't one session that I can pick and say this one was my favorite. All of them, collectively, I took a piece from each and every one of them and I can use it in my daily work, in my daily life. I would encourage anybody who would like to learn and grow within the exhibition industry to attend the IFES Master Class. It's really just an experience of a lifetime. Enjoy, have fun, and let's all make the circle bigger and grow the exhibition industry, because you know what, there's so much to learn, there's so much to do, and so many more people need to actually know about us.